This is not legal or financial advice. This is strictly for educational purposes only. Now let's get into one of the most misunderstood credit hacks: trade lines. We're going to break down authorized user trade lines and primary trade lines and why we don't use secured cards, period. If you're trying to build credit the smart way, this video is for you. Section 1. What are trade lines? A trade line is any account that shows up on your credit report: credit cards, loans, car notes, all of that. Each one reports your payment history, the limit, and how long the account's been open. Those three things are what shape your credit profile and score. Section 2. Authorized user trade lines. When someone adds you as an authorized user on their credit card, their positive payment history, age, and credit limit reflect on your credit report too. You instantly gain credit history you didn't have. You're not legally responsible for the debt, but you benefit from the account's track record. Here's the key. Your first authorized user line should be at least 15 years or older if possible. That's what gives your credit profile deep roots. It makes it look like you've been in the credit game for a long time. Even if you're just starting, anything under 10 years doesn't hit as strong. Remember, credit is a game of age, utilization, and consistency. Piggybacking helps you gain that age first. Section 3. Why we don't use secured cards. Here's where most people go wrong. They open a secured card thinking it'll help them build credit faster. Wrong move. When you open a secured card, the credit bureaus instantly log that as your official start date. That means you've just told them, "Hey, I'm brand new to credit." From that point forward, you're labeled as a new file, which makes it harder to get higher limits or major approvals down the line. So even if you build perfect history on that secured card, your credit profile is still marked as fresh. That's why we skip secured cards completely, because they restart your timeline instead of boosting it. Section 4. Primary trade lines. After your piggybacking accounts give you age and depth, that's when you start adding primary trade lines under your own name. These can be installment accounts, credit builder loans that report as primaries, or other legitimate revolving accounts that show ownership. Primaries are how you establish independence. They show lenders you can manage your own accounts while maintaining that aged credit base you got from piggybacking. Section 5. Strategy. The perfect combo. The winning formula looks like this. 1. Start with 1 or 2 strong authorized user trade lines, at least 15 years old, low utilization, spotless payment history. 2. Then stack your primary trade lines on top of that foundation. That combo gives you both age and ownership, which are the two biggest trust factors lenders look for. It's not about quantity, it's about quality and structure. Section 6. Warning. Avoid scams. Be smart, don't buy random trade lines off Instagram or Facebook. Always verify that the account reports to all 3 bureaus and that the cardholder's utilization stays below 10%. If they max out or miss a payment, it'll hit your report too. So remember, skip secured cards, get yourself an aged authorized user trade line 15 years or older, then start stacking your primary accounts. That's how you build credit fast, safe, and smart. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video, we're breaking down credit card stacking and how to leverage business credit the right way in 2025. We're just getting started and the playbook is coming soon.